Part 2 of that. I got this spoon to tie this tae, and I will do the tae conceal the tae kulit. Oh no! Oh. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. Wait, I'm gonna off camera it. Okay, wait a minute. Wait, guys, wait. Okay, guys, I'm done. Look. I'm gonna make a video about DOS. Oh my god! Oh, this is their base. This is their base, and that's their base. This is the giant's base, and this is the small.